is a 2021 Adam all aluminum Julite. White skin, upgraded extruded aluminum 4 feet high on the sides, and upgraded Adam made Dalton doors. These are an upgraded door versus the standard camper style door. Full length running boards. Trailer's 7'6" tall, 6'6" wide, and 14 feet long. Got 2 sliding windows in the dressing room, one there over the saddle racks and one here in the escape door, the dressing room door, and a sliding window into the horse area. Bridle hooks, 2 saddle racks, rubber mat on the floor versus carpet, and a spare tire mounted inside. The trailer's aluminum frame, aluminum skin, aluminum roof, and has a treated wooden floor. Got a removable padded divider, padded breast and butt bars, and a padded sidewall. Got a great gravity latch here. Set of pins that get lost. Got sliding hip windows, sliding windows in both escape doors. This sliding window from the dressing room door. 2 pop-up roof vents. And a bar style swinging removable head divider. Got a loop there on the center post for tying your horse or a hay net. Got 2 horse ties here over the escape door, and that's going to be on both sides. We have lights inside of the dressing room and inside of the horse area. Outside horse tie on each side. LED running lights and LED load light. Excuse me. Again, a wooden floor with rubber mats. Super easy lift ramp. Lift that ramp there with one hand. Wendy will latch that shut for me. Again, LED running lights. Got our LED lights there on the fender. 15-inch steel wheels. Windows in the rear top curtains. You can latch those back for travel or slide those windows open or closed. Again, 2 nice heavy-made Dalton doors. This is the same door that comes on the Champagne and the charcoal skinned trailer. They're made in-house there at Adam, not your typical prefab camper style door. So this is a 2021 Adam Julite, 7'6" tall, 6'6" wide, aluminum frame, aluminum skin, aluminum roof, with an upgraded Dalton doors, some extra windows, and 4-foot high extruded siding. Trailer's located at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. You can see all the specs and photos at trailercountryllc.com.